How to watch TikTok browsing history. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can simply watch TikTok browsing history. So all you need to do is simply get started. First of all, what you need to do is get onto your Play Store and make sure that your TikTok application is updated. And if it's not, just do it because the near features won't be able to support the previous versions of this TikTok application. And I just can't emphasize on this much enough, but it is very important. Now, secondly, what you need to do is simply get started and just get into your TikTok application. So I'm going to write down TikTok in the search bar to eventually get started. So this is my TikTok. This is the kind of page that you would appear on, and you need to get into the main profile page. That would be tapping your profile that is at the bottom right corner. So once you tap on this, you see that this is the page you're going to get appeared on. And now what you need to do is simply get under the freelance icon or that hamburger type icon that is at the top right corner. Just tap on it once and you would be redirected towards this dialog box that says creator tools, business suite, settings and privacy. You need to get into settings and privacy, and there it is. Now what you need to do is simply scroll down in the content activity bar until you find that watch history. Once you are in the watch history, this is the browsing history of your TikTok so far and the things you have been surfing on your TikTok. So this is how you do it. This is how you watch your browsing history on TikTok. And if you guys want to know more about it, just don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel. And if you guys have any question or query regarding it, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. And just click on that bell icon so that you guys can receive notifications about further awesome videos like this. With this being said, I'd like to conclude, and that's a wrap up. See you in the next video. Take care all. Peace.